Hi my beautiful sunshine, my beautiful dolls, welcome back to this your channel. As you can see, I'm showing you what I will be using in this video. On this video, I'm going to be applying PoLyGel on my daughter's toenails because they've been breaking really easy lately, so it chips. The polish doesn't really look good on her toenails, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some PoLyGel on top of her toenails. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, I'm already cleaning the toenails. I'm pushing back cuticle and taking away any dead skin. I can't say the word in English, I can't say it, but that's what I'm removing right now. Then I go ahead and clean all that off with alcohol, and I prep the nail as well with a file, and then I proceed to applying primer and then adding the PoLyGel. I cure in between a couple of nails because I don't want to have to leave my hand on the other toenails and mess up what I've done. But that's basically what I'm doing on this video. Once I'm done with the PoLyGel, I go ahead and file and buff. I add some clear top coat, and then I go ahead and add polish, and I go ahead and decorate all the toenails with the polish and some crystals. So I'll leave you with the video. I hope you guys like. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I love you guys bunches. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Activate your little bell so you can get notifications of my videos if you guys are interested in seeing my content. Once again, thank you for watching. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.